With 20 years of experience being beaten by his wife for snoring too loudly, Jacob shared, "Diet plays an important role in affecting snoring. Some foods such as milk, sugary foods, alcohol, processed foods, and high salt and unscientific eating habits can increase the risk or worsen snoring. But in addition to diet, other factors such as sleeping position, weight, allergies, respiratory anatomy, smoking, and use of sedatives also play an important role in causing or worsening snoring. Comprehensive lifestyle changes often bring the best results. If snoring does not improve or is accompanied by worrying symptoms, you should consult a doctor. If you think your wife beat you and then shared this, is it right or wrong? Comment below.